So, coach, on this cup and handle with NVIDIA right here, do you consider that a triple top or?
Yes, yeah, this is the retest. So that was your cup and handle. Now we're on a triple top, but now that so this is bullish, everybody. Isn't this a cup and handle?
Yes, it is.
Yep. And this is exactly what we said. Exactly when we said it. Here's your cup, here's your handle. Came back up for retest. I told you guys exactly that it was going to do this. This is where we are. This is bullish. Didn't I even tell you guys to scoop this up once this bounced right here? Didn't I say that's where I would go long? Yes?
Yep.
That's where I said right there you go long. You have your tight stop just under that 21. You guys now got paid. You guys got paid on the pullback. Then you got paid when you went long. So this is it, right? Here's your cup. Here's your handle. This is where it pushed back through, came through. Now we're sitting in this retest area. This is all bullish. Now, obviously, as long as this stays above this new level of resistance, you're good to go. Everybody's cool up here because this is technically a triple top and it's already made the move. You can see that it tried to break through, come back for a retest of this triple top area. This is everything right now. Does everybody see it? We got paid here, then we got paid here, and now we're just reevaluating this area. Yes? Great.
Yep, I'm right with you there, coach.
Yep. Good job. But we hit, let's see, 148.39. It hit 148.68 right here. Just like this, though. We already know if it can't hold on the area of support, which is where it, so this right here's, this was resistance coming up. It broke through. Great. Bullish. It came back, tested it. Broke through, not bullish, right? Now I can tell you right here, this is where I would just wait. Now I would wait. All of our trades are done. We had one here, we had one here, we had one here. Wait now. Now we're going to see what it wants to give us.
NVIDIA new high of day.
Thank you. Let me look. Yeah, NVIDIA, beautiful. Anybody still making money on NVIDIA?
In a coach?
Yes.
All morning long.
Yes, good job.
Yes, sir.
It's a good trade. There's your cup, handle, came back through, came down, retesting this triple top right here, pushed back through, pulled back, made new high. And it's funny, look at how it does this. It does exactly what we always talk about constantly and forever, right? Double top, pull back, double top, pull back. You see all these little micro moves?
And a major double top from yesterday, coach.
Yep.
You just saw that price at the opening yesterday on the 15-minute chart.
Right. Dawn, check this out. We got two. Here's your cup, handle, handle. You guys seeing all these?
Yep.
So here's your cup. Here's your cup and handle. See how I did it twice, gang? Isn't this the exact same thing?
It is. It's just smaller.
Yep. But isn't that wild that it did it twice, literally in a row? So if you know to look for that stuff, you're already ahead of everybody else, right? And now look at NVIDIA go. Bye.